so now that we have heard all the craziness go on here at this show, we are gonna watch all the cars leave. Everything gets absolutely out of hand and crazy here at this show, so I am going to be showing y'all all the mayhem happening at the exit. Hopefully no crashes go on like that R8 that one time, but we are in for a treat because this show is insane. Y'all are in for a big treat for sure. Turtle Media and his RTR. We're about to get some good videos of these guys coming out of the show. Yes, sir, Mr. Funhouse. Jesus, brother, you're going wild. You're a fucking savage, bro. And the cops give no f. This man just did a fucking burnout in front of this dude. He gives no LS Swap 240 right there. Sounded so good. Then a 2022 golly, I've never seen a 2022 version. Holy shit. Oh man. We just got a damn STO. Rev it. Yes sir. STO just pulled up to Pistons at the park. Holy shit, that's crazy. That thing sounds absolutely gnarly, bro. We're gonna get a quick look at this amazing STO that just showed up to the car meet. I've seen this guy on Instagram so much around, but I've never actually seen him here at the meets. This car is beautiful. Check this out.
Let the man park.
Yes, sir. You guys, y'all were in for an absolute treat. Mr. Shehan Chandrasoma, or however you say his name. I'm so sorry if I mispronounce your name, but dude, your Kavani Urus and your gold SVJ, holy shit, just knock it out of the park. Golly, bro. What's up, man? God damn! Fucking love this car. Shehan is the biggest hype man you could ever get at these car shows, bro. This man's absolutely crazy. Damn. We have a lineup here of an STO, a gold SVJ, and a Kavani Urus. These things haven't showed up in this meet in so long, and it is so good to see them finally back. Damn, everyone is getting rowdy. I am so sure that Shehan's SVJ shoots flames in the dark, bro, because right now you can't see anything, but the way that this thing pops is crazy.
What's up?
Do you know what color is on this?
Oh, it's Aurora Helios. It's an personified by Lamborghini.
So it is a Lamborghini color?
Yeah.
'Cause I've never seen it on any other car, and it sparkles so good in the sunlight.
There's very few of them with it, but the ones that do have it, they're worth a lot of money.
It looks amazing. Do you know everything he has done to his car to make it sound like this?
It's a full 1016 car. It has 1016 exhaust, 1016 hood, anarchy wheels. It's lowered on 1016 springs. Also, don't quote me on that. So.
Oh, yeah.
And then I think I said it's tuned, but it's just a good car from the factory, honestly.
Yeah, that too. That's exactly
Super crazy. Does it shoot flames?
Yeah, that one does too.
That's hilarious.
Yeah, I've seen this. I've seen both of them, but I only saw them in the Lamborghini festival.
Yeah. You make those YouTube videos?
Yeah.
I've seen them.
You seen them? Oh man, thank you so much. Goodness gracious, bro.